Hey guys, today we will be installing this ever built wooden shelf in our kitchen, and it will go just right here like this. And I have already bought the attachments. This hanger, I have purchased 3 of them, and this is a drywall, not a concrete wall, so we will be installing it with some screws and the drywall anchors. So let's start. The first step is to install these things. It will go like this, so we have to measure it and make sure we will place 3 of them in equal length. This shelf is 72 inches in length, so what we will do is we will put 3 brackets, one here, one in the middle, and one at the very end over there. So let's start by putting the brackets. You can also measure it with the measuring tape to just give you an accurate idea. So this is 72 inches in length. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave 8 inches from here for one of them, and then 8 inches from here for one of our bracket, and then which is, so 72 minus 16, which is 56, and then we are gonna place one in the middle, which is 28. So one here and one in the middle for 28. So we will not be placing at the very end, just for it to get supported there. We'll place it in the middle of it. So now we will place the bracket and just drill for the holes here. Now here we will do our measuring tape as 8 inches, if you can see. So I'll put the 8 inches from here, and then I will place the bracket just here. So I will do that right now. So we have marked the bracket here, one of them, and now we will do the same here with the bracket. So we will just measure it, and here now you have to mark these with the pen, so you can take help from someone. Now I have done the markings, as you can see, on the wall according to our measurement, and we will just drill the holes for this. So you just have to go like this. Make sure do not drill too much. So just repeat the process the same for all of them. So once the holes are done, we will use these are the drywall anchors and the screws. So it comes in the set. I just purchased it from the Home Depot. So now we will use these drywall anchors. So you just have to place the drywall anchors like this. The holes are done, as you can see, for all 3 of them. So now the last step is to install the drywall anchor and the screws inside this. So we will do that. So as you can see, one is attached like this, and we just have to install 2 more. So I will show you the installation here. So first we install the drywalls here, then we bring the bracket for the ever built. So here's our bracket. Then it takes 3 screws, just put it here. So this is done, and now we just have to use this. Make sure it is tight. So here it is tight. Now I have to go in here. You can see from here, just it's done. So the last screw, that's done. So it's durable now. So I have attached 2 of them. So the final one is left, which is over the corner. So we will do that right now. The space is very less here. I will try to show you again. So again the same thing. So we are installing the drywall anchor here. That's done. Now we will install the bracket and the screws. This is our final bracket here. Let's go. Now it's done. The final step again. Just have to make sure it is. That's all done. So the last step is to put the shelf here, and it has screws over here, so you can tighten the shelf. We just have to paint the shelf, so I will not do the screws from here, but I will put the shelf and show you how it looks like. So this is how the shelf looks like now. That's it. So I'm just a new guy who came in first time doing it. So if you liked my video, please comment, share and subscribe for more such content. Thank you.